When God has a purpose for you, family, a specific calling on your life, you will be just like one of the chosen ones, one of the disciples who was asked, you got some silver and gold? He said, I ain't got no silver and gold, but what I do have, I offer it to you, and it's more valuable than silver and gold. You can use this to get your silver and gold, the wisdom, the relationship that you have with God, the examples that you give, fam. We get so caught up in chasing the silver and the gold, fam. Majority of people I know that's in prison, even to this day, a lot of them was chasing the silver and gold. I went to prison for 11 years for chasing silver and gold. Now I'm out, family, and I'm teaching, I'm educating, I'm living in my purpose. You know, I'm pushing myself to learn more. I'm trying to create a situation for myself to be more comfortable where I can actually enjoy life and enjoy what I'm doing, enjoy what I enjoy doing, which is teaching and helping and building wealth and creating things. And I realize if we just focus, family, on our purpose, we'll focus on our craft, on our gift, not the silver and the gold. You're going to get the silver and the gold. We need to know about financial literacy. So don't let me say, I don't want you to think that it's not important, because it's very important that we learn about money. But money isn't everything. Tap into your skill. Tap into your calling, family. Because the people who have the silver and the gold will value you more than it. Yeah, they like to live comfortable. They got nice houses, nice cars, all this. But you got a piece, though. You have a way where you can really touch people. And some people just have money where they good, but they really want to help. Well, nobody listen to them. But they'll listen to you. They'll listen to you because they seen your struggle. They seen your growth. They seen what you had been through. You laid out your full journey. So when someone comes behind and say, you know, like the rich man, and say, hey, I want to do whatever I can to be a part of. I want to help you get to the next level. You know, I know y'all don't have the finances. That's okay. You keep your faith. You keep your belief. And I'm going to make sure you get there in front of the masses. There's always somebody rich, family, who have a heart to want to help people, but just don't know fully how, other than, you know, throw some money over here. But when you can truly invest in something where you can see the growth, you can see the lives that's being changed, fam. This is all based on you following your calling. And this rising, family, I was just thinking about an ironic week I done had. And here it goes, Monday again, and I'm just regrouping. I'm about to get ready to start my day. And I was just like, man, I've been chasing silver and gold. I've been pursuing my purpose. And just so happened that the silver and gold that I really been trying to, not that I want it, it's just I know that if I get it, I can eliminate certain problems. See, once you gain some wisdom, family, you start realizing what the use of money is. A person with the money, you're going to find out what they'll do once they got it. So until you got it, then you're like, okay, he got it, what'd he do? She got it, what'd she do? You won't know the character of the person, the treasure in the person, until they get the bag, and then you say, what they gonna do with it? Well, family, you know, my goal is to just help more people, educate more people, be able to enjoy my family and to travel and see the world and pay homage. You know, I want to be able to do what I do for free, but I can't do that. I can't go and just help people that really, really, really need it until I'm established myself, until I can be able to know that I can lay my head down and wake back up and all my stuff is taken care of. And I realized in order for us to live out our purpose, we got to be comfortable, family. We got to be at a spot where we can lay our heads, that all of our bills are paid. Then we can freely do everything that's on our list to accomplish, you know, for humanity or for our family or whatever we're trying to accomplish. But I realized chasing the silver and gold ain't it though, fam. You know, most people that do it, they end up, you know, I done seen people take out their family members, kill people, hurt people, deceive people, deceive their own children. I have seen car dealers throw their own children upside down in some payments just so they can get that bonus. Just so they get that bonus. They know their daughter, their son, or their niece or nephew don't need to be in this agreement, but they'll do it for the silver and the gold, fam. People do a lot for silver and gold. So I want to tell you this, rising. Stay focused on your calling, on your mission, on your gift. And I swear, fam, the silver and gold is going to come to you. You might not even create it. Somebody that might have already got it say, hey, I want to give you some of this so you can be good and you can continue to doing what you're doing. Fam, stuff just happened ironically. But it's only going to happen once you are pure and sincere about what you're doing. And you know who you are, fam. You know who you are. You know who's knocking on the door. You're doing all you can. Just stay doing that. A door is going to open. It's going to be ironic. And you probably, the way it's going to open, you're going to be like, I would have never imagined. Just keep knocking. Keep witnessing. Keep being you. And that silver and gold that you're seeking for, you're going to find it, fam. Hold on.